Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways to see notes on Instagram. So if you're wondering where do you find Instagram notes, then what you'll need to do is first of all update your application and log in into your account. Once you're logged into your Instagram account, now Instagram notes are in your inbox underneath the search bar. So if you go to your DMs icon, there's a search box and underneath you can see notes. So as you can see right on top, just above their profile picture, they have a small pop-up. So these are known as notes. So if you want to see the notes, you can just long press on the particular note. You can also reply to the notes as well. So here you can see a full sentence. So if you want to give some messages, you can do that as well, just like sending a message to other persons. And that's basically how you can see notes on Instagram. And in case if you want to add a note to your own profile, then just go ahead and tap the note button. You can also add music to your note. You can just type in whatever message you want to give and tap the share button. As soon as you do that, the note will be added to your Instagram. So they show up at top of your message under the title notes, so you cannot miss this. So note will also appear in a row with most recent at the right of your screen. So that's basically how you can see notes on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.